Two suction pipes with two filter screens. Two suction pipes are connected to the machine respectively. Okay, this is over. Suction pipe. Install one on each side. High pressure pipe. You can use a red tube or a blue tube for the first time. Try to wrap this raw tape when using it. It's this kind of raw tape. Then the other end of the pipe is connected to the grouting head. Two pressure gauges. One on each side. Don't twist it directly with your hands when installing. We need to use our wrench to screw it on one by one. This degree is just right. Then you have to screw it until you straighten it. Tighten and align it until it's properly tight and straight. One here. This table is going up. Slant a bit. You can also tilt it. 5 meters handle extension cable. You can connect it to our plug. The power cord is directly connected. Then plug it into the power socket here. This handle operates. Just do it. Put the two suction tubes into the bucket and the ingredients respectively. To test the machine. T-wrench. We put on an 8mm sleeve. Plus our water stop needle. Drill hole. After inserting it, tighten it with a T-wrench. Ready for grouting. Just turn on the switch.